Welcome to today's Skillsoft demo for Big Data High-Level Overview on June 17th, 2016. I'm Roger Cahill, your Senior Big Data Architect. First, a little bit about your instructor, me, Roger Cahill. I'm a veteran IT engineer and senior architect with 28 years experience providing big data analytics team guidance and direction around administration, development, business use cases, hardware recommendation and selection, best practices, industry standards, performance tuning and monitoring, and security standards and policies. I'm a Red Hat certified engineer, a longtime Unix and Linux engineer with 15 plus years of experience with open source software. I'm Cloudera certified administrator for Apache Hadoop and a Cloudera certified specialist in Apache HBase. I'm an expert with Cloudera CDH distribution, the Hortonworks data platform, and also the MapR version of Hadoop. Our goal and objective for today, we will look at a high level at the question, just what is big data? We will inspect how we got here and just exactly what has brought about a need for big data and examine today's situation. We will investigate the past series of events that has helped to shape what we now know as big data in the world today. Here is today's situation. In 2006, the IDC estimated the digital universe size of 0.18 zettabytes, or 1 billion terabytes. Growth forecast by 2011 was 10 times the 2006 estimate to 1.8 zettabytes. That's a lot of data. Traditional relational database management systems, RDBMS, do not scale well, and there is a hard limit of how far one can scale systems vertically. Hardware is expensive. Enterprise hardware, difficult and expensive to maintain. Companies typically have data sprawl or data that's now trapped within different and separate vertical silos, making collaboration difficult at best. There is no good way to store unstructured data within the old traditional systems easily. Enter big data to save the day. Open source software based on a white paper released by Google in 2006 that is essentially the model for distributed computing processing coupled with distributed storage. Apache Software Foundation-based projects with many different technologies being driven by the open source model which drives innovation and competition. The core technology for big data is now known as Apache Software Foundation Hadoop. Hadoop is the open source software that is built on commodity hardware. Hadoop scales horizontally, not vertically. Then our definition today for big data is really, big data is a collection of open source technologies that by working together are able to overcome today's problems of volume, velocity, and variety of data and keep up with the demands of modern enterprise computing in the corporate world.